Stay right there. Nice day today, Monday, June 1st. See two big cruise ships out dockyard in Bermuda. You can see them from pontoons in another parish. Another sea craft. Let me go out. Another little boat, people on enjoying themselves. It's just nice out today. That's my mother right there, eating Candice. Thought I'll take her for a few minute walk after we did some grocery shopping. It's a beautiful day out. I hope your day is going good. And just remember you are blessed and highly favored. You're wonderful, you're amazing, and you have greatness inside you. Don't forget it.